branch. Here's some more tips for you if you're following along. What you're looking at is a box jig. Well, it's my version of a box jig. So this is like the simple way. So if you have scrap laying around, you can make you a quick box jig. And the idea here is we just want to stand up the panels, you know, like so. Just want to stand them up and put in the ends and all the panels. But let me run through some dimensions for you. So, like if you're watching this, you know, you can follow along. So how long are these pieces? Oh, shadows. 20, almost 20 inches. Sorry. Shadows, almost 20. One-handed, almost 20. And how long are these pieces? That's the side rail, you know. What is that? 16. What's the gap? Put a gap in there. Almost 2. How big is the board? Let's see if I can do it this way. This is how you learn. How long is that board? 27 and a half. How wide's the board? 20 again. 3/4 ply. It's just a piece of board, nothing fancy. And the bottom of it has got the same 1-bys. It's just stapled or screwed on just to keep it up off the deck. But whatever. Okay, so here's the deal. We make so many boxes. We need it simple, you know what I'm saying? So we just put the side panels in, and then we have the end panels. They're a 3/4 lap. All right. The only cut we do on the side is the handle. That's all we do on the side. So just push it back. Oops. Push it back, and then the other end, one-handed, you know. Okay. Okay, so from there, using the wood clamp, of course we glue it first, okay? Glue the ends. And I'm